today. This is skirt steak. This is our favorite cut of meat. Yes, we do ribeyes. Yes, we do New York strips. But at the end of the day, if there's a skirt steak in the skirt steak, if there's a skirt steak in the fridge at the market, it's coming home. So we got a gorgeous, it's probably a pound and a half skirt steak. You can call it arrachera. You can make, there's so many things you can do. You can do, I mean, there's so many things you can do. I'm drawing a blank of the Mexican dish, the fajita. You can do fajita steak. So, number one, comment down below if you guys want to see a few other recipes, because we got a few other ones. But my wife makes a killer one that she marinates in wine and mustard and adobo seasonings. We marinate that overnight and then grill it. If you follow us on TikTok, there'll be a link of where it is. We have one that we did caveman style, where we put actually right on the coals. Came out phenomenal. We did this for Easter dinner. This is our favorite cut of beef. So I also can do a mojo one. This one is really good, chipotle mojo. But since I'm going to Traeger, I'm just doing a simple rub to go with our simple dinner tonight. So first things first, I'm gonna take some Worcestershire sauce, and I'm gonna put that on there as my binder to help the seasoning stick on there. Cosmos Q, SPG, which is salt, pepper, garlic. I'll take the SPG, which is again the salt, pepper, garlic. Yes, I can do salt. Yes, I can do pepper. Yes, I can do garlic. But I'll get this nice little dusting of this salt, pepper, garlic. And then I'll come on top of that and do this cow cover and do this, again, a nice little cover. This particular steak, I love the flavor of it, so I won't go too heavy on it. I'll let this get tacky, get my grill ready, and then I'll come back and do the other side. Now I'm going to flip the meat, and so I have to wash my hands. Quick tip, use gloves. So, flip, Worcestershire sauce again. And again, it's just enough to give it a binder. I'm not trying to season the meat in it. And then I will do Cosmos Q SPG again, really light coat, salt, pepper, garlic. And then I'll do the Cosmos Q cow cover. And I will let that get tacky and put it on the grill. So before I go to the grill, a few things here. If I was doing this on a gas propane grill, on an Acorn char griller, you guys know my egg out there that I've done a few videos on there, and it gets to 600-700 degrees, I'll probably do a minute and a half each side, take off, let it rest and wrap in aluminum foil. You see that here, but I'll do that for that type of grill. For this Traeger, which only goes up to 450 degrees, I'm gonna put this on there. I'm probably gonna go 3-4 minutes aside, flip, and then still bring it in here and wrap it in aluminum foil. So the trick with these is you want to cook them rare and let the temperature creep up and then slice. You don't want to go medium, because by the time you bring it inside, it'll be done, well done. We don't want well done steaks. Well, we don't want well done steaks. Do you want a well done steak?
Nope.
So here we are. We're going to wait a few minutes and it's going to go to the grill. So we're outside at the Traeger. It's humming along at around 450 degrees. I'm going to get this on. So this is the easy part. Get your meat, put on. We're gonna go about 3 minutes aside. So, first 3 minutes up.
Now.
You hear my Google telling me it's time to go. So, 3 minutes up, time to flip. And off we go. Timer's up. I added 1 extra minute to each side just to give it the color I'm after. Look at that. Next time to come off and rest in aluminum foil. We're back inside, so I'm going to get my steak and put it in aluminum foil and get it nice and wrapped up. The important part here is to let this rest for at least 10 minutes. Let the juices redistribute. So our steak's been resting. Time to come out. Time to come out of the party. You guys can see when I rested, look at all the juices that came out of that steak. That's just perfection. So I'll take this out. It's just good. And then with skirt steak, first thing you have to do is you have to cut against, I'm gonna get my knife. You have to cut against the grain. So this right now is running like this. So I'm going to cut into little strips here. So that's one, and I'll keep on doing it this way. Then you want to cut, the grains are going this way. See that they're going this way? I'm going to now slice against. If you don't do this, it ends up being a chewy piece of meat. You can see how juicy it is. It's just cooked to perfection. Are you getting that, babe?
Yep.
And now the steak is sliced. Obviously, I'll do this for the rest of the beef, but while we're here, while you guys are with me, I'm gonna go ahead and see what I'm working with here. Take one out of the middle. All right, that was a quick rub in that Cosmos Q, the SVG, and the cow cover. Let's see what we got. That is delicious. It's tender, it's juicy, it's flavorful, just bursts in my mouth. That's a good cut of meat. As you can see, we love skirt steak, and I mentioned that earlier, but this will be gone tonight. That said, guys, if you like the video, like the video. Comment down below if there's anything you particularly want us to try, and subscribe for more. That said, enjoy the quick tip. You know I'm gonna serve my dinner right now.